This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app, which comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to additionally download or install any third-party apps. In here, tap on this plus icon, then choose the scan option from the list, grant Drive app with the camera permission, and then take whatever document you wanted to make the scan out of, here is mine, and take a picture of it. Check the result. If you are satisfied with the photo you've resulted with, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the picture. Then you will be forwarded to the following editing menu. In here you can rotate your scan as you please, as well as change its color scheme if necessary, or you can crop the original photo you took in the way you'll like to have your final document. So I'll make sure that the framing includes the whole text part of the document, and we'll at least try to align it somewhat decently. Trim off some extra edges, just doing final refinings at this point. Then hit the done button, then save. Rename the file if you want to, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for your document to be uploaded to the Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.